Electric cars are no doubt shaping the car future, triggering a fierce new race among car makers, be they giants or just startups. Even GMC, notorious for its military-type SUV-GMC Hummer, has made a surprise turnaround by rolling out its first new EV. Crossover and UV segment always seemed like the busiest industry, infested with car producers of all kinds. Therefore, to stay ahead of the game, the all-electric crossover SUV is the very first thing that players think of, not to mention their long-cherished project and their desire to show off the coolest cutting-edge technology. The 2021 Human Horizons HiPhi X. A brief introduction to HiPhi X is it comes from China and is armed with peak technologies. HiPhi X wears an air of sleekness and sportiness thanks to the seamless design that blends SUV crossover with MPV, its touchless doors without any handles. After that, the company announced it is the only vehicle in the world to be equipped with a smart matrix lighting system, automatically adjusting lighting to different specific settings. Human Horizons has teamed up with Microsoft to develop an artificial intelligence system called HiFi Go, which can chat, write poems, draw pictures, and edit videos, and when combined with 562 surrounding sensors, the vehicle can reach autonomous driving level 3, as well as offer active safety assistance. HiPhi X can literally perform art on the road thanks to the suicide doors opening style combined with the roof opening modeled on birds' wings, creating an overwhelming interior space highlighted by 3 large screens. The car is equipped with a 97 kilowatt-hour battery pack for a range of up to 379 miles. Mercedes EQA 250. Known as a small pond full of big fish, the electric auto industry has just seen another giant. Mercedes weighed in with the launch of electric car EQA after EQC and EQV. The new model is primarily based on the old design of GLA fossil-fueled SUV. It boasts a sleek, luxurious appearance and makes a deep impression with the AMG multi-spoke two-tone alloy wheels in size 20 inches and slender headlights that merge with a closed-off jet black grille per the current trend. The EQA 2021 version employs a 66.5 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, transporting power from the engine to the front wheels, generating a capacity of 187 horsepower. When fully charged, this electric SUV offers a maximum claimed range of 302 miles, and could quickly charge the battery from 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. The Mercedes interior has always been of great charm, and the EQA is decorated in an electric art style, with Artico leather upholstery and rose gold accents added on the vents, piping for the seats and fabrics as well as ambient lighting with 64 colors. Both beautiful and gorgeous, the EQA 250 can plan the fastest route to the charging station, as well as automatically changing the route when it detects an incident like traffic congestion. The 2022 BMW iX. The Bavarian giant never fails to astonish its customers with its products. The BMW iX design is quite sophisticated, bringing a feeling of magnificence. The thin and sharp headlights are a newly added detail compared to previous BMW models. The big kidney-shaped grille is made of self-healing polyurethane that can recover from scratches after 24 hours at room temperature, containing cameras, radar, and sensors. The vehicle power rests on a sizable battery pack of more than 100 kilowatt hours. Together with 2 electric motors, it transmits force through a full-time 4-wheel drive system, producing a capacity of 496 horsepower. This luxury electric SUV also offers a super fast charging feature that enables 75 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Besides a modern and elegant interior, the glass ceiling with exclusive polymer dispersed liquid crystal technology can adjust colors electronically to avoid direct sunlight. Notably, the hexagonal steering wheel inspired by racing cars is the first of its kind to exist. The vehicle employs the 5G technology and software 20 times more powerful than the latest BMW models, which promises an impeccable self-driving experience. the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq. In a daring effort to electrify most of its models and to realize the ambition of redefining a luxury car in the next decade, Cadillac introduces the Lyriq. From the outside, the car possesses a modern design, an imposing look, and a low ceiling as well as a long capo, making a good impression of half coupe, half SUV style. The black crystal grille combined with definitive LED systems creates a light feast for the eyes. The Cadillac Lyriq opens up a sophisticated, modern interior that excites all senses. It takes pride in the juniper tone leather seats, the moon glow aluminum accents, and the giant 33-inch LED display that can display over 1 billion colors, 64 times more than any other car screen, and Super Cruise semi-automatic driving assistance technology to eliminate noise from the road traffic. The ultra-modern Ultium battery of 100 kilowatt-hours not only speeds up charging, lowers manufacturing costs, but also boosts a more smooth operation due to its low gravity and the focus on car balance. The Volkswagen ID4. According to Giotto Dynamics, Volkswagen ID3 is the best-selling electric model in October 2020 in the European market. And the SUV ID4 crossover is just a continuation of that success under the ID series. ID4 owns a simple design, neat curves, and a sophisticated honeycomb-shaped grille that optimizes aerodynamics. The vehicle has a drag coefficient of only 2.28, increasing efficiency and quietness in the cabin. Using the modular electric drive matrix, MEB, ID4 has a spacious interior, its electrically adjustable seats featuring heating and massage functions, voice-controlled car ceiling, heap-up display, projecting information onto the windshield. Besides IQ Drive with advanced safety technology and driver assistance, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and monitoring the driver placing hands on the steering wheel. There are two battery options, 52 kilowatt-hours or 77 kilowatt-hours, that can maximize the driving distance of up to 310 miles. The Skoda Enyaq. The name of Skoda's first all-electric SUV can be interpreted in several ways. The word Enyaq is derived from an Irish root, meaning source of life, marking the transformation of the manufacturer in a new era of electromechanical engineering. The Q sound shows a desire for a magical connection with its previous successful SUV models like Kodiaq or Karoq. Inspired by bohemian glass art, Enyaq adopts a definitive, powerful design with sharp cuts and a prominent front that boasts a matrix LED cluster, 130 LEDs behind the grille, and embossed lines on the capo. The interior gives quite a lounge feeling. It stands out with shiny contours running along bodywork to dashboard, which seems to create more space. The seat surface is very blue, made of 40% new wool, polyester from recycled PET bottles. It employs olive leaf extract to tan the leather instead of chemicals. There are 62 kilowatt-hours and 82 kilowatt-hour battery pack options, as well as rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive choices, offering a range of up to 316 miles. The Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron. Another member of the e-tron and e-tron GT family is the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron, the seventh model in its all-electric lineup, expected to join the market in 2021. Defined as a coupe SUV, the car boasts a youthful and powerful style. The slim windshield, the C-pillars lean back with a daring curve. The muscular tail stands out with a large-sized spoiler. The cabin is completely different from other current fossil fuel-powered models. There's no presence of physical buttons, and the HUD system is equipped with enhanced AR technology. Being an electric car, its interior materials are quite sustainable. The floor coating is made from recycled materials. The four headrests are covered with luxury, durable Alcantara leather, which is so fine that fibers extracted from just about 1 pound of Alcantara can be long enough to connect the Earth to the Moon. It offers two configuration options and two front-rear electric motors that generate a capacity of 302 horsepower. Combined with a battery pack of 82 kilowatt-hours, it provides a range of 279 miles, or 311 miles if using only a rear motor. The Hyundai Ioniq 5. The Ioniq 5 design was based on the 45 EV concept, which was honored in a host of competitions such as the 2020 International Design Excellence Awards, the 2020 Red Dot Awards, and the IF Design Award 2020. It pays homage to the iconic Hyundai model, the Pony Coupe concept, an aircraft-inspired design that is characterized by minimalistic details and a parametric pixels light clusters, making it look like glittering mobile diamonds. The chassis is formed on the new e-GMP platform from Hyundai and Kia. The battery and the drive motor are placed low inside the chassis, allowing its ideal weight distribution between the front and the rear. Together with its low center of gravity, the operating performance and high-speed experience of the vehicle are much improved and stable. Using this platform, the interior floor is flat, giving more legroom and more seating arrangements. According to some leaked information, the car is capable of super fast charging that accelerates 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes, a prominent feature compared to rival cars. Given the current electric vehicle market, what makes you satisfied or dissatisfied? Which electric car do you want to own most in the future? Please share with us in the comments section below, and thank you for taking the time to watch our video.